Welcome to SAP Online Training.
FI Accounting Tax Structuration.
Define withholding tax codes. Transaction SPRO.
Overview withholding tax parameters. Overview the tax code structure. Access transaction through the IMG. Define the new withholding tax code. We are still in the withholding tax parameters. In the previous lessons, we activated withholding extended tax. Then we defined the tax countries. Then withholding tax keys. Then define the exemptions reasons. Then the section code. Then withholding tax type for invoices. Then withholding type for payment posting. Then vendor recipient tax types. Then existing tax due dates. Then the exchange rate type. Then rounding rules. In this lesson, we define the last withholding tax parameter, the withholding tax code.
Press Continue.
Withholding tax is an income tax deducted at the source of the revenue. The process involves vendor, customer, and tax authorities. The vendor invoices the customer. The customer deducts the withholding tax from it. Then pays the balance money to the vendor. This tax deducted by the vendor is then remitted to the tax authorities. A withholding tax type is assigned with a withholding tax code. Together, they determine a percentage rate. When several withholding tax codes, these must be defined with various withholding tax types. During business transaction, only one tax code can be assigned per tax type.
Press Continue.
In the simulation, we specify the company code, withholding tax key, and withholding type. Then we define the withholding tax code, with posting indicator, and withholding rate. Note that there is only one tax code, assigned per tax type. Tax codes can have same ID as tax type.
Press Continue.
We are in the SAP main menu. In command field, enter SPRO. Good. Press the SAP reference IMG button. We are now in the IMG implementation guide. Go to Financial Accounting. Select Financial Accounting Global Settings. Go to Withholding Tax. Select Extended Withholding Tax. Scroll down the list. Open Withholding Tax Code. Open Transaction Define Withholding Tax Codes. Well done. We are in the Transaction Change view Withholding Tax Code Overview. There are no withholding tax codes registered in the system. Press the New Entries button. Good. We are now in the New Entries window. SAP displays the three specification areas: General Data, Base Amount and Posting, Calculation and Reporting Information. There are two mandatory fields. Go to Withholding Tax Type field. Press the drop-down menu. In a previous lesson, we defined these withholding tax types. These types includes different withholding tax characteristics: posting time, amount calculation basis, accumulation basis, validate national resources tax. Our withholding tax type indicator is now specified. The withholding tax code calculations are proceeded in company code currency. The rates are maintained through the withholding tax code. It contains the withholding tax base and surcharge. In withholding tax code field, enter EI. Our withholding tax code EI is now specified. Posting indicator is a mandatory field. Go to Posting Indicator field. Press the drop-down menu. There are three posting options: Standard with tax amount deducted from the vendor or payment amount. Offsetting up with tax amount increased by 1:1 less tax rate with two tax debit credit signs. Offsetting with two tax line items of opposing debit credit signs. Validate Indicator 1, Standard Posting Bank Vendor Customer Line Item Reduced. Our posting indicator is now specified. Go to Withholding Tax Code Description field. In Description field, enter Baltic Withholding Tax Code. Good. We have no specific percentage subject to tax to define. Go to Withholding Tax Rate field. Press the drop-down menu. Validate tax rate 0 to 100. Our tax rate percentage is now specified. Go to Official Withholding Tax Key field. Press the drop-down menu. Validate LVOO1 EIT Enterprise Income Tax. W tax formula specifies calculation according to particular procedure. For instance, a not constant tax rate. Provincial tax code is a subdivision of region. Our parameters are now specified. Press the Save button. SAP confirms saving. Press the Back button. We are back in the Change View Withholding Tax Code Details page. Press again the Back button. We are back in the Overview window. Our new withholding tax code is now properly registered. Press the Exit button. Exit again. We are back in the Customizing work list. Exit again. Congratulations! You successfully defined a new withholding tax code within SAP.
Let's see if you remember this lesson.
Press Continue to start knowledge assessment. Exercise. Read and proceed instructions.
Good luck.
Congratulations! You successfully defined a new withholding tax code within SAP.
SAP Easy Quiz.
Press Continue to start the quiz.
Good luck.